We are already in a turning point of history wherein humanity will change more in the next 20 years compared from the previous years. Technology will soon become a factor of our society. The world has come to a point that humans solely rely on technology to make our lives easier.
At this rate, the upcoming years will be called the age of technology. We'll reach the stage where human skills will be more obsolete. Our jobs will be replaced by every bit of technology.
Soon enough, people will realize that the very thing that they have created is creating a life of its own. Computers and any other forms of technology have become species. They have inhabited majority of the planet.
Technology has been drastically changing our lives. It has already consumed us to the point that we allowed it to take over us completely. Although technology is created to make our lives easier, it will change the course of humanity in an instant.
Human skills will likely be forgotten as technology is quiet, enhancing and developing itself, making work much faster and simpler.
But actually, in reality, technology is not needed to survive. Modernized people do need to use modern technology to survive due to the fact that they have relied on it and wouldn't know what to do without it.
Truly, technology has surfaced above people because we have been dependent on it.
Technology claims that it allows one to connect with another, but it seems that the real connection is lost. Just imagine a world where smile.
When we have low batteries,
Because it will only mean that
We'll be one bar closer to
humanity.